It has been 2 months since a new state law took effect that says judges in Montana cannot suspend someone's driver's license because that person hasn't paid a fine for a misdemeanor offense. Well, today, MTN's Mike Dennison takes a closer look at how this change is working for citizens and our courts.
If you had your driver's license suspended solely for not paying a fine in Montana, now you can ask your local city or county court to reinstate your license. And in most cases, the judge must grant that request. It's part of a new law that also says judges can no longer suspend anyone's license, only for non-payment of court fines or costs. Supporters of the law, like the ACLU or the free market group Americans for Prosperity, say the suspensions needlessly keep some people from getting to work.
90% of Montanans use a car to get to their job. So if we get in the way of that, the government keeps them from getting that job. That's their avenue to bettering their life, to having an income, and it's an incentive for a poverty trap.
The law's sponsor, Republican Representative Casey Knutson of Malta, says he's heard plenty of positive feedback on its passage.
It's mostly been people that have had this happen to them in the past, and they get in that debt cycle, and they're just really happy to be able to get out of that, because it's not like they're these super criminals.
Last year, more than 25,000 Montanans had their driver's license suspended by a court. It's not precisely known how many were for non-payment of fines or how many are eligible for reinstatement. Judges in Montana can still suspend your license for things like drunk driving, failing to appear in court, or not complying with other terms of a sentence. Helena City Court Judge Ann Peterson says she has reinstated a dozen licenses since the law took effect, but still asks people to come in for a hearing before she does it, so she can at least set up a repayment plan.
And that's what I'm really looking for, is really just that communication. What's going on? How much can you afford to pay? What is that going to look like? And how can we get some consistency to get this sentence complete?
She says that unpaid debt may include not only fines, but also restitution for victims. Knutson says the new law is merely asking judges to take an extra step before suspending someone's driver's license for non-payment of fines.
Basically just forcing them to send out one more letter. It's not like we're taking away this giant sledgehammer that the judges have.
So, one small step for freedom? Perhaps. But you'll still probably have to go in and talk to the judge about the money you owe the court. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
All right, thank you, Mike. That bill enacting this law almost died in the state Senate before coming to the floor on a 26-24 vote back in April.